A few days ago, Beta USA announced their new E-Moto bike, Beta Explorer. But is this a real in-house Beta bike, or is it something else? Let's find out. Here we are at betausa.com. Information about the Explorer 2024 Beta Explorer E-Moto. Here's some specs. Peak power 12.5 kilowatts. The battery 74 volt, 35 amp hours. 2 speeds plus a rocket mode and also a reverse gear. Top speed 40 miles per hour. And here we can see the price is $4,890. And before we go into deeper in this, we need to remember that this is not a bike that is competing with ordinary gas motocross dirt bikes or enduro bikes in any way. It is more like the Suron KTM Freeride and something like that. It's something that you're gonna have fun with on the trails or in the garden or backyard or something like that. So just remember, it's not a full-size dirt bike. But it looks really, really cool, I would say. The black and red is really doing a good job. And there are more photos here. So I think it looks really, really nice. There's a lot of photos you can take a look at here. And there are also some photos of some more details. Here's the motor, the gears, charging, the display, the battery, motor and drivetrain. The question is this really an in-house Beta motorbike? Let's take a look at their press release. This is their official press release. It's on their webpage as well. Here we can see that this model is a collaboration between Beta USA and Apollo Moto. So it seems like it's not an in-house dirt bike from Beta. We should also think about that it's roughly 30% smaller than a normal bike. Going to be great for having fun on a trail or camping, hunting, or just working around a ranch, it says here. So if we take a look at some photos here and try to save one photo, save image as, then the name of the photo is Ares Rally Beta.71, something like that. And if we try to save the next one, it also comes up with the name Ares Rally Beta.70 this time. I thought that I have seen something similar like this one, so I was checking around a little bit. I'm usually on Alibaba and so on, and when I asked Alibaba for electric dirt bike, I found several, but then I came to this one, RFN, and to me this looks very, very like something we just looked at. And here is the company name, Anhui Wingo Technology in China. If this is the manufacturer, I don't know and I cannot say, but there's a lot of similarities in these bikes. If we take this photo and the photo from Beta USA's website and compare them, we will see. Here they are side by side, and except for the color, they are more or less identical, I would say. If we zoom in a little bit, the quality of the RFN isn't that good, but we can see here on the motor it's similar, and here is also the text on the battery. There's a lot of similarities. Here is something that is a little bit different, some kind of a guard so you don't get your foot into the chain, I guess. A little bit different, but here's from the suspension and it's very, very similar. So you can suspect that this is made by this company or another Chinese company for Beta. There's a lot of manufacturers doing the same bikes, or they're just simply buying from the real manufacturer and reselling them. So it could be something like that too. Here we can see that if you buy 1 to 4 pieces, the price is $3,850, and then it goes down if you buy more. So of course, most likely buy more than 20 anyway, so they could probably negotiate the price a lot lower. It's not unlikely that they can sell it in the US for 4,890, because that is 1,500 over this, and probably get the price down. And if you go down and check the specs, you will see there's a lot of things that are the same. There are some differences. For instance, the max power here says 11 kilowatts, and it was 12.5 on the Beta. And the weight, that's something that is very different. Here it says 83 kilo, and on the Beta USA, I think it says 150 pounds, which is, here it is, 150 pounds. That is 68 kilos. So that is a big difference. Here we have more information, but it is in maybe Portuguese or Spanish or something. And then you can do this in Google Translate, and you can read a lot about it. Here you see Ares. So here are a lot more photos, images with information that you can translate in Google to see more about this one, if you'd like to. And there is one thing here that it doesn't say much about on the Beta website. Here is something interesting. That is, if I understand it correctly, it's IP67, and that is very, very good. So the bike should be more or less waterproof. Here we can see that the guy is standing in the water, and I guess it says that it will be waterproof. And this one, it doesn't say so much about on the Beta's website, that the compartment they have under the seat, it's actually 5 liters. Pretty big, so you can have some water bottles, some small tools, or some snacks and whatever you like. So most likely this is a collaboration between the American company Apollo, which ordered their bikes from China, and this could be the manufacturer or something like that. It doesn't say anything bad about the bike. I think this is a really cool thing from Beta, and they have their warranty. I think it is 2 years for the battery, the charger and the motor, 2 years, and the chassis 6 months. So that is really, really good. Even though you have to pay more for the bike here, you need to remember the price here is not including the shipping and import taxes and duties. So it will be more expensive, and most likely you will not get the same warranty. So this is probably a good choice if you are into some e-bike that you can play around with and have some fun. I will drop a link to the Alibaba page too, if you want to check this one out. It will be in the video description below. So this is a little bit about the new Beta Explorer E-Moto bike. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.